wondering what this is? Probably not, considering you probably bought it and you're about to install it. Camco Cyclone holding tank vent. Or I should say vent cover. So this guy's gonna spin around with the wind and actually suck the smell out, compared to this guy, where it's just gonna get hot naturally, aspirate up, and a lot of times it just kind of settles on the roof, and then you make your whole coat smell like crap. So I'll show you how to fix that. First things first, you want to scrape off the old sealant. Just kind of push underneath it. You want to be careful not to tear the roof, but it happens. I'll show you how to fix that if it does. Just want to get under here. And on a hot day, this is the best time to do it. This stuff comes up like butter. Go around and feel the screws. Yeah. Like they're pushing it to the side. See, you've got a tear, but it's not the end of the world. I'll show you how to fix that. A tear, I gotta fix it, don't worry. Careful of the roof, man. 20 years, I haven't fallen off yet. Here we'll feel around. On these guys, they usually fall the cap down. That's usually where your screws are going to be. When in doubt for this, we're going to take this guy off because he's kind of in our way. We're not going to touch the sealant, but we're going to take him off. They always lose. All right, now we can get in here and actually see what we're doing. When in doubt, sometimes take the long way. It's going to make life a lot easier on yourself. Peel this back. Watch your fingers because this guy will hit the hell out of you. Guy underneath a little bit. There might be other screws. Usually, sometimes there's only 3. You never know how that guy was feeling that day. There we go. That's your great tank vent pipe. Great tank vent pipe cover. The new Cyclone. Gonna go like that. So now we just got to clean this off. Get a nice clean surface with a new one to mount to. And this is butyl putty or tape that they like to use. Factory's always cheap. If we're gonna do it, might as well do it better than they did it before you. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, got it removed. Now we just got to clean it. A little rubbing alcohol again because denatured alcohol is no longer allowed in California. A little bit of elbow grease. And you'll see the old stuff really starts to just come up. And once again, we want to clean past where our old sealant was. For this guy, we're going to clean off the old sealant too, because Dicor likes to seal to Dicor. But it won't seal if it's dirty. So, get that nice and clean, all of this stuff. like to come back over a nice plain blue rag. Can't use these all the time because it's going to get all shredded on you, but for the last dry swoop, I like to use a blue one because I know it's all clean. Get any particles, get those out of there. First, the guy goes down. Hold them up, put them through here. This is how I like to do it. Get them on there. Pretty much as low as it'll go. Now it's pretty much not going to come off, but they give you these little guys here to put a set screw in there. So I'm going to run a set screw. Pull this guy back up, get it kind of as low as you can go. That'll lock that guy onto that vent pipe. Now he ain't coming up no more. The trim ring, normally I'll just reuse the old guys, or you can use the screws that came with it. We just need something to hold it down. So I just get in the corner, run that down. Sometimes they're not long enough to actually grab. And if they're not, you just get a longer screw. And these are not long enough. So, take that guy out. One of our old screws, take him. Pin down. Now, this guy off. Get him. He's reusable. All right, that's installed. Now we just got to seal it up. It's a two-step process. At least that's how we do it here at Stinky RV. So first things first, we want to seal up this gap. So I like to put a big old fat bead all the way around. That way. Get this guy, big old dollop, big old dollop. Now we like to seal the perimeter. I didn't have enough. All right, need another tube. There we go. Get this nice bead all the way around here. Now wherever we have to tear somewhere around here. So we'll just put another bead. I'm gonna seal up the reefer here since I got it. Better safe than sorry. You know, get all that guy up in there. Ta-da. But we're not done. That was the first part of a two-step process. That was the non-sag. Look at the self-leveling. Now I take the self-leveling, I'll go all the way back around. This stuff is going to melt into each other, and it's going to give us a perfect seal. Over the top. Now go on the outer rim here. Now just like to go one more up top here. This guy's free to move around with the wind like he wants to. This is all sealed up. That's how you replace your holding tank bed cover.